Today is just the latest step on a long, long journey. So long that it goes back almost a quarter of a century. Like literally a quarter of a century or close on, because it was 2000. It was the millennium year. We were talking about Y2K and the millennium bug when the Metro line first got suggested. There was talks that it would cost £4.3 billion or punts, because we hadn't even adopted the euro then. And they suggested it would take 23 minutes to get from the airport to the city centre, and it would open in 2016. So that was the initial plan. Just 2 years later, actually, the plan was upgraded and improved. Seamus Brennan, then Minister for Transport, said, you know what? We'll have it done by 2007 and it's only going to cost €2 billion. By 2006, the plan had changed again. The metro had become Dublin Metro North. It was going to be quicker, 17 minutes into the city centre, but only because they abolished 6 stations en route. And the government hoped it would be fully operational by 2012. Then by 2011, we had the crash. Irish Rail tried to ride to the rescue. They proposed expanding the DART to Dublin Airport for around €200 million. They believed they could have that up and running by 2016. By 2018, Dublin Metro North was gone. Dead as a dodo. The brave new plan was MetroLink. It was going to take 20 minutes to travel into the city centre, and it had an estimated cost of €3 billion, and it would be open by 2027, so 3 years' time. It would be 4 years before they even submitted a railway order, which is part of the planning process. It is the part we are now in. That led to 300 submissions from the public, and that has led today to these oral hearings with on Bord Pleanála. So the latest estimated cost is about €12.3 billion or 6 children's hospitals, and it won't be completed until 2037, 19 years after it was first suggested it would open, nearly a quarter of a century after it was first talked about. In other words, if you were born the day that the metro was initially due to open, you'll be able to vote by the time it does actually open. So I know we get a lot right in this country, in fairness, but we are a little like that little girl with the little curl. When we are bad, we are horrid.